YouTube, this is Print Practical. As you can tell, this chair doesn't look super comfortable. I don't know why they designed them like this, but let's go fix it.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe.
Counterbore action.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in greed? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids.
This is gonna be nice. I think I just need a pad and maybe put a little bit of fabric around it, make it look a little better. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not a perfectionist.
Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
It'll work. It feels good. It feels good. All right, I'll check back in at the beach. Editing Print Practical here. I made it back from the beach. I didn't actually film an outro, but the headrest worked awesome all vacation. It definitely served this purpose, and it increased the viability of a $27 chair significantly because I was able to actually relax. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.